This is the area of the Courtyard Marriott South Building in Cary NC, near Macgregor's. This is a Schindler with epco. Not sure, but originally a Westinghouse, I think. Got new LEDs.
Oh, that's. Let's get a take a look.
Okay then. Oh, it was an Otis. I forgot to close properly. Never mind. It's closed. I'm guessing this was a Series 1. By that logo, it's pretty much a newer version that got modded by Schindler. So I'm guessing it's an older Series 1 that got modernized. See, 1988. Yep, this was originally an older Series 1. There's one more elevator in this hotel. Hence. That was oddly strange. There it goes. That's it. What floor?
3, please. Yeah.
See another elevator at the Courtyard by Marriott North Building. This one's off. This one has quick leveling.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
This was also another Otis. Series 1. This one has a floor passing charm, unlike the south one. It was also installed in 1988. Oh, I don't get to see its leveling. There it goes. That's it. This is the area at Macgregor Park in Cary NC. It's pretty freezing out here. It's a Kone. It's a Dover modded by Kone. That's what it was originally.
You're not leaving. No, it's. No. Yeah, go ahead. No, it's okay. Don't. Go ahead. You're
When you
fine.
get to the car, you gotta come down. I'm gonna drop you off. I know you.
Dover whenever you went.
I can't pick you guys up for the new car.
Yeah. I used a certificate, 1986. Alright, once I see the capture the closing where it goes.
If you go to the car, that's a foolish mistake.
You guessed.
Just do it down there. I can't.
So we're here at the new Residence Inn.
Macgregor
in Macgregor Park. This is a few. These elevators. This is, which is near Valley. These elevators are a few days. This hotel's a few days old, and it just opened. These are Otis Gen 3s.
Cool.
Starting on the 5th floor since we saw a guest. These are not key carded. Go down to 1. It's sold in 2026, so this is brand spanking new. Can we go up now? Do you mind if we can go up and then edit that one?
Yeah, you can go out and we're back in a few.
You can see the news here. 0 to 5. A lot like the Holiday Inn in Holly Springs. Just the only difference is it's only 5 floors. Holiday Inn has 4. Here we are on the 5th floor. Let's end it at 1. Oh my goodness, look! Some gold wrapper there.
Trash.
It looked like Lindor to me. Here's a little cab view. These are your fixtures. Otis Gen 3. There it goes. That's it.